we are looking at how to pronounce this irregular verb, the three forms of the base verb to come, the past tense or past simple, is pronounced as came, as in he came to my house. Came. The participle is pronounced just like the infinitive, the base. Come, overall. Come, came, come. Here is a video for you to watch to learn the pronunciation of all irregular verbs. Watch it to practice and improve your English pronunciation. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support and thanks for watching.